Hi viewers, welcome to Foodie Bites channel. Today we are preparing Sojja Bakshalu. Sojja Bakshalu is a traditional sweet which is specially prepared at Ugadi festival. So let's get started to the procedure. Firstly, we are going to knead the dough. For that we need maida, salt and oil. By adding oil, you will get soft puris. Combine it well and knead with water till it gets soft dough. It should be like this. Coat the dough with oil. Cover with the cloth and rest for 20 minutes. For stuffing, we are preparing semolina sweet. In a pan, add ghee. We don't require lot of ghee here, only little bit ghee is enough. To that add shironji. Now add semolina and fry for 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. Add warm water to it and cook till it gets soft. Now add sugar. If you like to eat more sweet, you can add more sugar. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Finally add cardamom powder and allow it to cool. After it gets cool, grease your hands and make a lemon-sized balls and keep them aside. After resting the dough for 20 minutes, knead the dough once again. Grease your hands and take the lemon-sized shaped balls and flatten the edges with the fingertips. Take the suji ball and stuff in the dough. Make a round shape and remove the excess dough. We are going to make puris on plastic sheet. To that, take thick plastic sheet and spread oil. Take the stuffed dough, tap it and cover and roll to a semi-thick round shape. It should be like this. Now it's ready to fry. In a kadai, heat oil to deep fry. On a high flame, fry the puri both sides till it gets golden color. Transfer to a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Sojja Bakshalu are ready to taste. They are crispy from outside and soft from inside, and you can store them for 1 week in refrigerator. Enjoy the traditional sweet Sojja Bakshalu. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching.